ISOKO Manowa, do greetings to you everybody. Join me as I do my son assignment. So I'd already write them, so now for him to copy for him book. Now ISOKO assignment. See, I may not be sad, right? So yesterday we do one. So today the auntie come back then for school. The auntie don't know say he don't know say be like this speaking there. He don't know say this speaking. Yeah, when you see the things, see the answer, see the write-up, you confirm her. I'm off left there. It is well, so let's forge ahead. Russell's the assignment was school, number 1, school, number 2, a place of worship, number 3, market, number 4, musician, number 5, trader. So the answer they my video when I do before. Hello. Now they can't say me the user make sentence. I said okay, no one. I am here. Mare sene. ISOKO tema yoklo maga. Forget that matter. We match with ISOKO things. Hello. We are here. ISOKO to the world. Now, bete loine. Bete career. Mero you na career na start after I don't write out with the English. I come write out with ISOKO. So hope I've not throw answer of women no. Or your mark if you mom mess me. No! I not do amole ISOKO, I do both the English and the ISOKO. Now I make it now. I'm back from school. Me no ewure bozino. Then number 3, number 2, Nora, a place of worship. Make a sentence with it. Me take it. Truth and Faith Bible Church is my place of worship. Isiasi uzemegbe orawo ho area egagome. You get it now? Number 3, ano market. Make a sentence with market. Fine. My mother went to the market. Oni me okpobo eki. Number 4, Oravene ano musician. Hello. My mother is a musician. Hello. Oni me ogbole. Hello. Do you get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Number 5, Oraviso ano trader. Make a sentence with trader, okay? I am a trader. Me otwiki. Here comes the end of the Simon. Hello? We're going to understand, yeah? It's a bad. So, right about now, can I was here? Oh, yeah, mommy, can you go on? And therefore, what would you get on? When you for me, make better one that was assignment to where we said, me. Oh, yeah. Copy. So that's that for now. See you guys when we saw ISOKO to the world. I remain on Motel, one of Nigeria Delta. This is what we do for a living. We promote ISOKO to the world. Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Do come patronize me or not try me out. Not try me. Let's just say I want to. I said do come patronize me. I mean you don't patronize me. But I tell you it's a bad. My number is there. Everything is there. Patronize me. Sharp. We match in only. Okay, right. So that's that for now. See you when we saw. God bless you. ISOKO to the world. Mary Gwe. Mama.